Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Yes, I know, what? One time you have like makeup on your face, you're not like starting this vlog with no makeup on and looking like a piece of shit. No. Yeah, welcome back to my channel. Hope you've all been doing well. If you can tell already, this is a makeup video. I really can't do makeup to save my life, and I use like 3 brushes all up in this video. It is not a tutorial, it's just how I do my makeup for when I'm going out, clubbing, parties, whatever. This is the look I go to. I like dark makeup looks on me. I just think they look better. But yeah, so this is the look that I am going to be creating today. I hope you guys enjoy. Make sure you give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Click the notification bell on. We're about to see, oh my god, this beautiful, amazing look. So I just want to remind you all, I am no makeup artist. I really don't know a thing. I'm sorry, I have the hiccups. Because I ate that nugget really fast. Anyway, yeah, I have like not even an hour to film this. Time management. First thing I do is my eyebrows. Go watch my video on how I do my eyebrows, because I don't want to explain everything in this video when you can just go watch an entire video on it. I'll put the link in my description to my eyebrow tutorial video, but for now I am probably just gonna fast motion this shit, but I'll just show you quickly what I use. So I'm just gonna use this spoolie, which is MAC 205 or 204. Brush the eyebrows. For my eyebrows is the Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow Pomade, and I use the shade dark brown. To outline everything in my eyebrows, I use this zoeva 322 brow line brush. To like fill the eyebrows in, I don't use the actual pomade. I use a powder, and it's just from this Eternal kit. I don't know, my mum's friend got it for me, so I'm not really sure where it's from, but it just looks like these, and I use the darker shade. Yeah, I'll probably fast motion.
Whenever I tell her to come, she come. Jump too far down, off this way, doing her shows. I've been on the road, that little fire, she been on my mind.
The most influential dude when I first wasn't born.
Okay, so I just finished doing, I look naked, I'm not. I usually wear this Sephora concealer, the high coverage concealer natural finish one in the shade, I don't know, but for the moment I'm just gonna, it ran out, so that's where my story was going. But I am just gonna be using this Maybelline Fit Me concealer in the shade 20, which I think it is too light for me, but I'm just gonna wear it anyway. Look how I'm putting it on, guys. Like, this is just how I comfortably do my makeup. Kind of just place that on my pimples, and yeah, that's pretty much it. And just like where I see a bit of red. So I pretty much just leave this on my face the whole time I do my makeup, and I kind of do that towards the end, because right now I'm going to go straight into my eyes. For my eyes, I pretty much just use one palette, this MAC palette, and it's just the eyeshadow 15/warm neutral palette. I don't even do primer. I don't do like a base of like concealer on my eyelids or anything like that. I probably should, like, nah. So this is the brush that I'm going to be using. This is just a Napoleon sculpting and contour brush, but I'm going to use it for my eyelids. For always the like base, I use like this really orangey, it doesn't look that orangey on camera, but this kind of like warm dusty color. Why am I even doing this video? This is just what I do. I'm trying to kind of rush this a little bit, because I gotta get that rushed look effect, because that's how I am every night before I go out. The side of like my face is gonna look a bit dark. I have shadow on this side and brightness on this side. This is actually just a brush from Naked 2 palette. So this end, like the fatter end, I'm going to use a mix of that blacky kind of color and this color. Like that. And this is kind of just gonna go in like this, in like the, it looks so shit now, but like when it turns out at the end, it will look good. Yeah, so I kind of just like put that there. I kind of just did those darker bits just off camera. Same brush, but I'm going to use the other end. See, there's a dark end and a light end. I'm going to use the other end, and it's going to get my Mario Badescu Rose Water Spray. I've always wanted to say that in a video. And I just like spray that so it's like really wet, and then I just mix a bunch of these colors down here, and they're like all shimmery and stuff, and that's basically what I put in the corner bit.
All time's sake.
Just going to put some fake eyelashes on. Glam by Manicure pair. These are 61 Coco. They're dramatically dense lashes for a lash finish, which just pretty much look like that. And at first I got them, I was like, oh shit, like these are gonna be really big. Like, what have I done here? But they're the most amazing lashes, and I'm so happy I got them. But I'm so proud of myself for not like losing them, or like, you know, when you like take them off the next morning and you sleep in them and you like find one in your hair the next day at school, because that is not what happened to me at all. I feel so dopey when I put like lashes on. I'm like, it's a bird, like an eagle. This is why when you say two for the sequel, seems so wrong. Hey, I'm just filming a YouTube video right now. Actually, you're in it. I'm filming a makeup look.
Are we meeting up or what?
I'll try and finish this as soon as possible, and then whenever I have concealer on my lip, when I finish it, I will.
Okay, can I do the intro?
Sure.
What is it? What is the video?
It's just like for like makeup look for like going clubbing or whatever, going out.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you haven't already, please press that subscribe button. Today I will be doing a little tutorial.
Alright, bye. Alright, that lash is on. Now I'm gonna put my other lashes on. I love how the lashes like kind of just cover my shit eye look. I am going to get this darker color again and kind of just go a little bit underneath my eyes here. I know it's like the color for like the black, but I literally can't use the color for the orangey, which I want to use, but I can't because it's like this thick brush. So I'm just going to use this Maybelline Lash Sensational mascara, which is so old. I've had it for so long. I need to go buy a new mascara, but it was because I had eyelash extensions for so long. Alright, yeah, I'm not doing that. I felt way too uncomfortable doing that. So it kind of just looks like that. Oh my gosh, look at my lip. This is a really professional video if you didn't already know. Zoeva 102 Silk Finish. I look like a clown. Wow, why am I doing this? Like, I don't do makeup in the day. I just like do it at nighttime. Like, you know, not many people can like see all of the mistakes that you were doing and see that you actually cannot do makeup for shit. Now I'm just gonna get my Maybelline Fit Me Matte and Poreless 235 Pure Beige Powder. I don't know what the exact thing I have to say is, so I just pretty much just read the whole entire thing. And I'm just gonna use this big fluffy brush from Whirl Techniques, and I'm just going to powder all over my face. I don't really wear foundation. I mean, I used to wear this one foundation, which was the, I think it's the China Doll foundation by Napoleon. It's pretty much the only foundation that I have ever found in my color. Like, I have bought so many other foundations. I've gone to Sephora where they like test your like skin color to the makeup, or you know, whatever. I've done all that, and just I get home and it's not my color. I don't know if I just can't apply it right, and my eyes aren't even like blended in. I really just could not be bothered and care at this point. Like, usually I would fix that up, but like I don't have like baking shit or any of that crap, so I'm just gonna get my concealer again, and I'm just gonna go like that. Thumbs up if you guys want to see another makeup video. And then I'm gonna grab this different foundation one. This is also by Real Techniques, and I'm just gonna brush it downwards. So it kind of looks like I'm baking, but I'm not, you know what I mean? And then I just go in again because I don't want it to look like a really harsh line. I just use the highlight out of this same one that I used the contour from, and I just use this one obviously, which is a highlight, and I just do the tip of my nose here, and then I do like this bit here, here. This is just the Zoeva 129 Luxe Fan. Highlight up there. Since I like really dark makeup looks, obviously I like dark lipstick, so I just use this MAC Whirl lipstick. It's the only lipstick that I do use. Yes, this is my completed makeup look. A little close up, these are my eyes. I think. Look how I've been sitting, like I have this entire mirror here, but I was like, no, I need a closer mirror, so I like go pick up Maddie's mirror and like just like put it here. This is like where my camera's been sitting, and then this complete mess. We have some chips, some nuggets, some party pies over there. So I hope you guys enjoyed watching this fail and mess of a makeup video. If you want to ever see another one, which I don't think you will, and I don't think I will do another one, but if you would want to, please leave some suggestions below. Please leave some suggestions below. By the way, like I didn't completely finish my eyes. Like if I was actually going out, I would maybe, I'm just a little stressed out, okay? Yeah. So yeah. Yeah, I will see you guys in my next video.